G'day and welcome to this special edition of the AutoCity Group News. My name is Vian Kruiwagen. On Monday the 1st of June 2020, South Africa will be moving down to lockdown level 3. This simply means that AutoCity Group will be shifting things into the next gear. With interest rates as low as they are, please take advantage and buy yourself a new car now and save thousands of rands. With payment holiday offers up to 6 months on selected vehicles, what's not to like? Contact them now for amazing alternative special offers. Visit their website www.autocitygroup.co.za or follow the link provided in this post. From myself, Vian Kruiwagen and the AutoCity Group News team, don't just dream it, drive it.